I hate points. It's kind of a pointless argument, but if you hate points too, you're going to be looking for some way to get them off your car. One of the things that irritates some people about it is that the second you put your points in and get them adjusted correctly and drive it down the road, they're already degrading. It is a engineered wear component in your car, and people who want to drive these cars on a daily basis get somewhat frustrated with them a lot of the time. The easiest and cleanest thing to do to get rid of the points and condenser in your car is to install a simple electronic ignition modification like the Pertronix igniter. This little module bolts inside the distributor directly in place of the points, and then the ring slips down over the shaft where the rotor would go normally, and it just eliminates the points and condenser in the car. It uses a magnet which pass in a ring in front of the sensor to fire the car just like the points would. This allows you to continue to use the same advance or retard mechanism that was in your ignition system to start with, and takes no other adjustments, and you can still run the factory timing. Now you'll still need to do some tune-up work. You'll still have, as wear components on the car, wires, plugs, cap, and rotor, but those are replacement items instead of constant adjustment like the points, and this should really decrease the amount of time you spend under the hood of your car. We have this for most, but not all, distributors on the B18 and B20 models. This is a must-have for people who use their vintage Volvo on a daily basis. It really cuts down on the amount of time you spend under the hood, and can be actually used for the people who are doing concourse level restorations, because it's relatively easy to hide inside the distributor as well. These are on our website, IPDUSA.com.